In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send out an email in Kajabi. We'll walk through creating a one-time email broadcast from start to finish, so you can confidently reach your audience with a clear, professional message. Start on your Kajabi dashboard. From there, open the Marketing tab, then click Email Campaigns. This is your home base for sending and managing the emails you share with your audience. Next, click the button to create a new email campaign. When Kajabi asks what type you want, choose Email Broadcast. This option is perfect for a single send, like a newsletter, announcement, or promotion. If you see the sequence option, that's for automated, multi-email workflows over time, which we're not using here. Now it's time to compose your email. Kajabi gives you two editors. The visual email editor is drag and drop with blocks for images, buttons, and layout. Great when you want a polished, branded design. The classic editor is simple, text-forward, and looks more like a personal email. Pick the style that matches your message and your audience's expectations. Add your subject line first. It's your first impression in the inbox, so make it clear and benefit-driven. If you see a field for preview text, use it to expand on your subject with a short, compelling teaser. In the body, write concise copy, break up long paragraphs, and include images or buttons only when they support your message. Add links where needed, and double-check each one. Keep accessibility in mind by adding alt text to images and ensuring good contrast. If you're using the visual editor, consider how it will look on mobile. Short headlines, tappable buttons, and minimal columns work best. With your email ready, choose who should receive it. You can send to all contacts, a saved segment, or set a custom filter, such as contacts with a specific tag. Targeting a segment can improve relevance and engagement. Remember that only contacts who have opted in to receive marketing emails will receive the broadcast, so your send count may be lower than your total contacts. Finally, decide when to send. You can send now for immediate delivery or schedule it for a future date and time. Scheduling is helpful if you're planning around a launch, event, or your audience's time zone. Before you confirm, review the subject, preview text, content, links, and recipient selection. When everything looks good, confirm your send or your schedule. That's it. You've created an email broadcast in Kajabi and set it on its way with confidence.